y'all, it's Rene here and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and not yet a part of the family, I'm gonna stop you here. Just go ahead and subscribe. You may be like, hey, it's a bit presumptive. I don't even know what you're about. This is a place where I do my hair, a little bit of beauty, basically pull myself together and then showcase things about me, okay? So like I said, go ahead and subscribe. If you are already a part of the family, you already know the deal, okay? Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing a cornrow style, and I'm not the star of the show, and you may be sad, but it's okay, because what I'm about to show you is fire. You're gonna enjoy it, okay? So I'm gonna be doing like a copycat or my version of Big Sean's braid in the T Grizzly Trenches video. If you wanna see how I did it, be sure to stay tuned. Hey y'all, and we are back. So like I said in the beginning, I'm going to attempt to do the Big Sean Trenches braids that he had in the music video. So you see me here just taking the clips out of my husband's head, and his hair has been washed, deep conditioned, detangled, and all that jazz. So I'm going to start off with a nice part down the middle to begin this style. And while I was doing the style, I looked at the picture a few times just to make sure, you know, it was going to look somewhat similar. So you see me here just making sure I get that line straight. And then boom, there goes our middle part. Pretty simple. And then I went in with my favorite, you already know, Curl Activator Cream. I use a lot of the same products that I use on my hair, on his hair as well. If you want to know all the products that I use, be sure to visit the description box down below, okay? Then after that, you know I'm a big fan of sectioning, so I made sure I had some clips just to make sure that no other hairs come over from the other side and get in my way as I'm trying to cornrow. Then I went in with my fave, you already know, some olive oil just to seal in all that moisture that I just put in. I made sure to really work it through. Then I went in with my first part down the side of his head. And this style was pretty easy. It was just more so trying to make sure that my lines were straight and that my cornrows look nice, really. And boom, there goes my first part. I went ahead and detangled just to make sure everything was nice and sleek and smooth before I started braiding and I wouldn't have any tangles. You already know what I went in with. A little bit more Curl Activator Cream because I just wanted to make sure that the hair was nice and sleek and shiny. And since these braids required larger sections, more hair was going to be exposed. I got a little bit of Curl Activator Cream on his face, but you know, no harm, no foul. He was okay. He survived. And I just went ahead in with the dimming brush one more time just to make sure it was all worked through. And then I went in with a little more olive oil just to seal it in one more time. Alright, now you already knew styling foam was coming next. Just to make sure the braids look sleek, make sure that the hair didn't get extra tangly as I was braiding it, and then I made sure to rake my fingers through to make sure that it all was worked through. Then I went in with some jam. Like I said, these sections were rather large, so I wanted to make sure that the hair laid down and it looked nice and sleek. So I just coated the hair with some jam just to give it a little extra boost of shine. And then it was time to braid. So I just went ahead and cornrowed the hair straight back. And if you are enjoying this video, right, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be aware of when I drop a new video, okay? I drop one every week and I want you to come back and join me, all right? So as you see here, I went ahead and finished that braid off all the way down to the end. Then went in for the second braid. So this braid required like a diagonal part in the front. And so that's what you see me doing here. And then just a straight back part going down the back. All right, and you see me here just making sure I really got that part straight going down the back here. I probably should have used another type of comb, my thin rat tail comb, but I made my husband gather all the things and this is what he brought me, so this is what we used as far as like my styling tools. So boom, after I got the part all nice and straight, I went ahead and cornrowed, you know, down that diagonal. After I cut that diagonal, hit that corner, I went straight down the back.
Pretty simple style. And I went ahead and just finished it off down the ends. And after that, since I had parted the hair down the middle, I was only left with one more section. It was already parted and ready to go, so I just did a straight back. Boom, and we're done. Here's all three so far. Look pretty good, right, y'all? He got some hang time too. Go, boo. All right, so I went ahead and did the same thing on the other side. And then I followed up with some more styling foam just to make sure the hair is all laid down. And you see I'm trying to do it gently. Like I said, more hair is exposed, so I didn't want to make the hair fuzzy. So I was trying to just lay it up there nice and gently so I wouldn't, you know, disrupt the hairs. I had him throw his do-rag on top just to set it down while he did some stuff around the house so the hair could dry. And boom, here you go, y'all. Boy, that looks so good. And he really liked it.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my version, my rendition of Big Sean's hair in the trenches video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it. Drop me some comments down below and let me know what you think. Before you go, okay, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, alright? And until next time, see you later.
Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.